はい、皆さん、こんにちは。ビンスです。今日は、お元気ですか皆さん。Hello everyone, this is Vince. How are you doing right now? では皆さん、本日ですね、ご紹介するのは、こちらに表示した話題です。では皆さん、もしよろしければ日本語を勉強一緒に私と一緒に日本語を勉強しましょう。If it's okay with you, let's discuss again another grammar related topic here. 最後まで見てもらえたら嬉しいです。I'll be happy if you will watch until the end. And では皆さん、早速始めていきましょう。Very well then, everyone. Without further ado, let's begin. If you remember,皆さん, everyone, last time the most previous topic I have talked about, the topic related to grammar, of course, is how to form a compound sentence using the te form. Te form both for verbs and adjectives, and even the janai form. The janai. Well, today, actually, the next topic for that is this: expressing reason or causation using the particles kara and node. Actually, these are combination particles, kara and node. But I feel that before we dive into this intermediate level conjunction particles, I think we need to first learn a very important and very fundamental lesson, or very fundamental topic. And so I present to you this, minasan. Remember, here in the left side, these are copula or sentence enders. Copula sentence enders that are used to declare a declarative sentence and to form a sentence similar to the SLVC sentence pattern in English. Let's say, 今日は雨が降っているのだ。Let's say today the rain is falling right now, and or you would like to say 犬が好きです, or I like dogs. Let's say you want to make a compound sentence. So compound sentences are composed of mini sentences. So if you want, I have told you, minasan, in the previous lessons, that if you want, particularly in the most recent grammar related lesson, I have told you that to form a compound sentence is actually composed of mini sentences, and these mini sentences are connected by a means of te form. But today I will teach you how to form compound sentence by this renkeyo particle, or connecting particle de. Remember that this de is relatively different, significantly different to the particle de that we have discussed before. That de, contextual particle de, that de before that de discussed a few months ago was used to indicate the manner of doing something, or in what kind of place are you doing such action. So this de discussed today is entirely different to that, because this de is now acting as a conjunction particle, or connecting conjunction particle, to connect the mini sentences, thereby forming a compound sentence. So let's begin. So the copula da, or the declarative da, Well, the formal form is des. We would like to learn the skill of transforming this da or des into a de for the reasons of connecting mini sentences, thereby forming a compound sentence. So let me expound more. So let's say you have here a very simple sentence, just like what we have shown in lesson number 8. Let's say, neko is cat, neko is cat. Neko nga ski da. Ski is a na adjective, ski, ski. Silent U. Ski is a na adjective that means something is likable. Neko nga ski da. This means cats or that cat is likable. Neko nga ski da. Okay? Neko nga ski da. Like cats or cat, that cat is likable. Neko nga ski da. And by the way, we have used the particle ga because this particle nga is also used not only as identifier but also to put emphasis on a subject as a subject marker. Okay, so let's study this sentence. Neko nga ski da. Cats are likable. Neko nga ski da. We have a copula da here, so this is a simple sentence. Now that da here, let's transform that da into de to form a compound sentence. So neko nga ski da will be neko nga ski de. Neko nga ski de. Neko nga ski de. Say this person, say Adam. Neko nga ski de. Say this person is Mr. Tanaka or your brother, your younger brother, Ototo. Neko nga ski de. Ototo nga nihiki katta. This kanji here is a counter or a means of counting for animals, hiki. So ni hiki, 2 animals. Kata here is a past tense of adopting, let's say a pet, adopting an animal. Past tense of this is the dictionary form or base form is cow. So KAU. So past tense of cow, kata, meaning to adopt, say, animals or pets. Neko nga ski de. Ototo nga, or the zero here means the speaker need not explicitly say the person, the name of the person, or he or she has the option to omit the doer of the action. So that's why it is indicated here 0. Neko nga ski de. It's I just arbitrarily put the ototo to make an example, younger brother. Neko nga ski de ototo ga nihiki katta. Since the cat or cats, since the cats are likable, this person, let's say brother, younger brother, got 2 aspects. Neko nga ski de. Person nga, this because ga is not only a subject marker to emphasize a simple sentence with emphasis on the subject. It is the ga is also paired with the doer of the subject. So what is the action verb? Katta or cow, and the doer is this 0 or any person. Neko nga ski de. The person ga nihiki katta. So since cats are likable, and so a person got 2, nihiki got 2 aspects. Okay, so let's go to another example. Hana nga kirei de. Hana nga kirei de. So this is another SLVC type of sentence, but an emphasis is put in this SLVC type of sentence. So we use the ga to put an emphasis. Hana Hana ga kirei de. Hana ga kirei de. Kirei is pretty. Hana ga kirei de. Kaori mo ga totemo ii. So as you can see, this whole thing here is compound sentence. And it is composed of two mini sentences. Hana ga kirei de. Kaori mo ga totemo ii. And the smell, it is very good too. So if you want to combine these two mini sentences here that has this English meaning, we replace the da. We could have placed the declarative da here, but since we are forming compound sentence, we replace the copula or sentence ender copula, da or des. We replace that with de, and then put it at the end of the first mini sentence. Hana ga kirei de. Then probably you put comma. Kaori mo ga totemo ii. And the smell, it is very good too. Okay, so hana ga kirei de. Hana ga kirei de, or flowers are very pretty. Hana ga kirei de. Iro mo ga, iro is color. So inclusion particle mo. So you also include in the description, you also include in your praising type of description, you also include the iro or color. Iro mo ga azayaka da. Azayaka means vivid or vibrant. Vivid or vibrant. Hana ga kirei de. Iro mo ga azayaka da. So as you can see, another case of two mini sentences here, and it is formed and it is now connected by replacing the da in the first mini sentence. Replace the da with a de, and then just put a comma, and then connect it with the second mini sentence, and there you go, you have a compound sentence. Hana ga kirei de. Iro mo ga azayaka da. Okay, so another example. Hana ga kirei da. So actually this is the origin. This is the origin. Hana ga kirei da. So let's see here. We have these mini sentences here. Well, this is the origin of the. This is the origin here. So this is the origin sentence, the one that we have to convert. We have to convert into a compound sentence. So we have this here. We have here three mini sentences. Hana ga kirei da. Kaori mo totemo ii. So this is the second mini sentence. Kaori mo totemo ii. And the smell is very good too. Iro mo azayaka da. So this is the third mini sentence. Iro mo azayaka da. And the color, it is vibrant too. So again, what do? We use the te form. How do we make this as compound? Combine these three mini sentences into just one compound sentence. We use the te form and the de. So the function of de, it will replace the da, and then you will put the te form for this adjective e. But as I have said, minasan, in our recent lesson or previous lesson, if you want to conjugate the adjective e, if you want to do conjugation on the I adjective e, you have to transform it into its conventional form yoi, and then do the conjugation. So it will be yokute. And then the last sentence need not be conjugated. So let's see. Hana ga kirei de. Kaori mo totemo yokute. This is the e converted to yoi, and that yoi, you do the conjugation to that yoi. So yoi becomes yokute. Hana ga kirei de. Kaori mo totemo yokute. Iro mo azayaka da. So flowers are pretty. Fragrance is good also, and colors are vibrant as well. Iro mo azayaka da. So remember, the I adjective e, when you have to do conjugation, it's not itte. Let's say the conjugation is conjugation to te form, so it's not itte, but you first convert this E into its conventional form, yoi, and then do the conjugation. So yoi, you drop the I in that yoi, it becomes, and place the kte, becomes yokte. Okay, so hana ga kirei da, iro mo azayaka da, kaori mo totemo ii. So hana ga, okay, so let's convert that into compound sentence using dide. Hana ga kirei da, iro mo azayaka da, kaori mo totemo ii. Let's convert that into, because these are three mini sentences, let's combine them all into just one compound sentence by the technique, the sentence ender copula da or des convert to de. So what would be the answer? Here, hana ga kirei de, and then comma, iro mo azayaka de, and then kaori mo totemo ii. So as you can see in the last part, in the last mini clause of the compound sentence, you need not do the conversion nor any conjugation. Okay, so what is azayaka? Azayaka is actually a jlpt and one word, and it means not only vibrant but also vivid, brilliant, or bright, clear, or adroit, adept. So actually, minasan, I have discussed you that essential skill today because in our next lesson here, especially the node, I want you to remember the basics, because the lesson today you will need it to understand this topic, node. Because if you can recall in our lesson which has a name, the lesson which has a name, particles used for listing nouns, and the last part there, if you jump or skip to 35 minutes 10 seconds, that is the part that we are nominalizing the particle no to make it a nominal noun as a sentence ender, as you can see, just like here. It's just like here. Ima wa isugashi no. The thing is that I'm busy now. Or ima wa isugashi no da. So this is particle no as a nominalizer, and this is the unda. Explanatory no plus the da copula to make it explanatory. Okay, so if you want to recall that topic, you may scan this QR code, or if you don't want to scan, you just search my video for particles used for listing nouns and just skip to that part 35 minutes, because that is a 55-minute video. Okay, so that's it, minasan. We are through with our lesson for today as a prelude or basics, as a prelude or foundation for this next a little bit more difficult topic, node and kara. So that's it. 今日はここまでです。So we've reached the last part. 最後まで見てくれてありがとうございます。I thank you for watching until the end. 最後まで見てくれて本当にありがとう。ご視聴くださり本当に誠にありがとうございました。So thank you for watching and staying with me, minasan. And I hope to see you in the next video. では皆さん、また次の動画でお会いしましょう。I'll see you in the next video, 皆さん。And今日は終了。So this is the last part. Thank you for watching until the end. では皆さん、バイバイ。ありがとう。バイバイ。